world was monochrome, a predictable scene, a quiet constellation. Missing what it means, I had my head down, scrolling through the static noise, content with being just a shadow, one of many girls and boys. Then a glance across a crowded room, a momentary pause. Your wire, my quiet heart, and gave it a new cause. And oh, something in the atmosphere just shifted. Every single wall I built effortlessly lifted. We collide like constellations in the dark, a supernova igniting. In my heart you take the fragments of my fractured soul, and suddenly you're making my world whole. This beautiful chaos, this unpredictable design. Secret maps of all my hidden scars. We talk for hours underneath the dashboard. Stars from whispered what ifs to the screaming wild cheers. You dissolve the weight of all my deepest, oldest fears. It's not in grand gestures, but the quiet in between, the safety of a silence that doesn't need a thing. And I still don't have the words for the magic that you do. You're the melody I finally learned the rhythm to. We collide like constellations in the dark, a supernova igniting. In my heart you take the fragments of my fractured soul, and suddenly you're making my world whole. This beautiful chaos, this unpredictable design. My universe is yours, and I am yours, you're mine. Let the skeptics talk, let them say it's just a phase. I found my shelter in this hurricane. I'm dazed, 'cause every atom's different now, the chemistry's redefined. You're the plot twist that I never saw coming. You're the best of my mind. My universe is yours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video on CE Basic.